In today's video, I'm going to be revealing 5 winning dropshipping products that you can start selling on your store today here in November 2024. And each and every single one of these products can be literally life-changing to you guys. Now, right now is literally the best time for you to get started with your dropshipping business because we're going into Q4 and everybody right now wants to spend money. So look at the results here on the screen. These are all of my students who literally started from zero, just like yourself, and are making thousands of dollars a month with their dropshipping businesses. So I want you to lock into today's video because I'm going to be revealing the supplier for these products, the competitors' links, the ads, the marketing angles, you name it. So if you're excited, be sure to go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And also be sure to go down to the link in the description and check out Unlimited Ecom Academy. It's my full A to Z dropshipping course where I go step by step and show you everything that you need to know to make your first $10,000 a month online with dropshipping. So if you're interested in this, again, go down to the description, check it out, and I'll see you guys on the inside. All right, so the first product we're gonna be talking about in today's video is this heated hoodie. Okay, so if you've been dropshipping for a while, you've seen products that are just like this. There's a vest out there, there's a heated hoodie and a heated blanket. There's a ton of other things as well. So this product is no different. If you check out the other pictures on the bottom right, there's actually this button here. If you press it, it heats up the entire hoodie, which is pretty cool. Obviously, we're getting into the more colder season. So this is the perfect product to start selling right now. Also, it has this little dog pouch or this little kangaroo pouch, and once you see the video ad, you'll see that people get really cozy with this. They put their dog inside of here. It's actually pretty cool. So anyways, you're gonna get the product for $60.87. I've checked with other suppliers out there. You can definitely get this for a little bit lower than that, but again, this is a more higher ticket product. So even the competitor is selling this for about 90 bucks. So as you can see, there's nothing else more to it. There's a bunch of high quality images here that you can use on your site. Also, it comes in a bunch of different colors as well. So it comes in pink, it comes in dark blue, white, gray, this other blue version, and then the original black color as well. So if we check out the competitor's video, it just says you ordered the winter heated hoodie that comes with a dog pocket. So it's literally just a short 7-8 second video showing somebody getting cozy, turning it off and on, and then also putting their dog inside, which is pretty interesting. But if you check this out, this was just posted on the 2nd of October, so barely a month, and it already has 129,000 likes, 1,800 comments, and you can see that there are a ton of people asking about the product, and this is exactly what you're looking for when it comes to a winning product. You want to see that there's actual people asking about the product and asking where to purchase. That's what we call buying intent. So if we check out their profile, as you can see, this company's called Toasty Hoodie, not a bad name at all. But as you can see, they're still posting to this day and still getting consistent, views. Every single one of these videos has at least a few thousand views, and some of them are even going extremely viral. Like their top 3 videos here have 6 million views, 7 million views, and even 12 million views, which is actually insane. So if you check out their website looks pretty good for the most part. It seems like they know what they're doing for sure. Here's the dark blue version. They have some really good images. These are definitely different from what's on AliExpress. Now they're selling it for $80. I thought it was $90, but it's actually 80 bucks. Again, this is still a higher ticket type of product. They're running a buy 2 and you get what looks like, okay, I had to double check this. I thought I was crazy. It's literally 1 for $80 and then 2 for $155. You're only saving $5, but on here it says you save $644. which doesn't really make sense, okay? So that's a little bit of an error on their product page. Now, I probably would have had a better offer than this because you can only get a free gift if you buy 3 of these, which, for the typical customer is probably not likely. I would have offered the free gift probably on the buy 2, but that's just my personal opinion. But if we go down, again, their product page looks really good. They lay out everything nicely. It's straight to the point, not too much text. A lot of you guys put so much text on your product pages, like nobody's gonna read that. This is very short and to the point, shows testimonials, and is exactly what you should be doing with your product pages. Now, it's gonna be pretty hard for you to have a successful dropshipping business if you don't have a supplier that's reliable, can get you fast shipping times, and has good customer service. And that's where Autods comes into place. Now, this is a supplier that I use for almost all of my dropshipping businesses, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna show you really quickly how easy it is for you to source a product with Autods. So let's just take, for example, this product right here, which is the product I just showed you. All I have to do is copy the URL to AliExpress, come on back over to Autods, click on add products, single product, and then you're gonna paste in that URL right here. You wanna make sure that your supplier source is selected. So in that case, obviously AliExpress, and then you're gonna click on publish to store. Now I just imported the product literally 2 minutes ago and it's already ready for me to source, okay? So all I have to do is just come over to the products tab, and this is gonna show you all the products that you have on your store. Click on the 3 dots, and then you're gonna go to sourcing request, and then you're gonna click on process sourcing requests. And now you have this product sourced and it's ready for you to go ahead and import right to your Shopify store. So once it's sourced, you can go ahead and see the product here. Here are all the images that were just literally pulled right from AliExpress. It's gonna show you the item cost, which I told you guys already. That was showing 60 bucks on AliExpress, as you can see right here. And as you can see on AutoDS, you're actually only paying $20. Now there is a $25 shipping cost, but again, 50 bucks is a lot better than $60 all in, okay? So you're still saving about $10 or so on each and every single order. So you'll be able to see all that information here. You're gonna see how long it's gonna take to get to your customers, which is 14 days, which is respectable. I always say anywhere from 7 to 15 days is perfect shipping times when it comes to drop shipping. If you can get any faster, even better. AutoDS also makes it really easy for you to be able to customize everything before you put it onto your Shopify store. So for example, you can customize the title of your product. You can come over to description and write a description. You can also delete these images if you don't want them. You can go to variants and you can remove any variants that you don't want to have on your store. You can also come over to images and remove any images that you don't want. And you can also set some of the images or one of the images as your main image. And then for the item specifications, you can either remove them or you can edit them. Now, if you're somebody that's watching this video and you're still using AliExpress as your supplier, what are you doing, bro? Make sure you go down to the description, check out AutoDS. I promise you, you're not gonna regret it. You're gonna have a supplier that's gonna get you fast shipping times, they have great communication, and their product quality is on point. All right, so hopping into product number 2. Now, this product is probably my favorite on this list because it has so much potential because of all the marketing angles that you can add to this product, okay? It's literally unlimited. So this product right here is a digital photo video frame, okay? That's what we're gonna call it. And pretty much what you can do is you can take this product, you can plug this into your computer. Let me see if I find the, oh, here it is. So you can plug this into your computer and then you can put whatever image or video you want on the screen. It also does voice recordings as well. So I'll show you the unique marketing angle that the competitor is actually taking for this product. And again, it's super good, okay? So anyways, you're gonna get this product for $39.92. And if you're sourcing with AutoDS, you should have no problem getting a better price than that. Also, this product has a high perceived value, so you can sell this for definitely 2 or 3x the price, okay? So this product has a 4.8 star rating, over 100 units sold. Again, don't let that be your determining factor as whether or not you sell these products. It's just a listing, okay? There's only one color. I believe there was another color for this product. I could be wrong, but it's just clear. But you just need to be careful with the actual plug type. So if you're selling to EU, you need to make sure you have the EU plug. If you're selling to the UK, you need to have the UK plug, so on and so forth. All right, so checking out the competitor's video ad, as you can see, it just says, if you're pregnant in 2024, please don't make the same mistake that we did. They're just introducing the product, they're targeting mothers, showing the ultrasound, and also it plays the baby's heartbeat, okay? So this is exactly what I was talking about. So the reason why this works is because they took it a marketing angle, which is, we're gonna focus on mothers, and we're gonna show that you can put your ultrasound inside of this, device, and then you can also put the baby's heartbeat, okay? Now, this is an example of the riches are in the niches, okay? Because most people would have just sold this product like everybody else, but instead they took a unique twist to it, and we're only targeting mothers, which is massive. A baby is literally born every second, okay? So this is a product that can go to the masses. So if you check out their actual TikTok, as you can see, it's just snap frame, but they have a ton of videos that are going extremely viral. But as you can see, literally all these videos follow the exact same format. It's just showing other women inside of the delivery room and then going ahead and showing off the product. Now, hopping into their product page, as you can see, it literally has the exact same format as the previous product that I just showed you, which is kind of funny. But anyways, as you can see, this is, again, another higher ticket product, but again, it has a higher perceived value. I would easily pay $100 to $200 for this type of product just because of how cool this is and how valuable of a gift this would be if I gave this to somebody else. So if you scroll down, I actually really like this section right here. They're offering a 2-year warranty for $6.99. That's literally a no-brainer offer. A lot of people will actually take that, surprisingly, and that's just extra money into your bank account. So as you can see, they have a ton of high quality gifts and images on their site showcasing the product, showing you exactly, what to expect once you receive this product in the mail. and they're actually doing a fantastic job. As you can see, they're also pairing this product. They have a bundle where you can actually get the iPhone as well, which literally does the exact same thing, and a product that definitely complements this one. But all in all, this is a fantastic product. Now, I definitely recommend that you test this, but I would do it in a different way. There's so many different marketing angles that you can take with this product, and it just doesn't make sense to do the exact same thing as everyone else. But again, if you can find something unique and different in the market, you could definitely make this product work. All right, so the third product on this list is this AirTag Wallet. Now, I've sold this product. I've also had students who have sold this product successfully, okay? So pretty much what this product is it allows you to put your AirTag right here, and the marketing angle is pretty much you'll never lose your wallet. So again, every man needs something like this. It also, you can put like a bunch of cards in here, and this like little switch just fans out all the cards so you can easily just grab them. Now you're gonna get the product for $16.97, and you can easily source this for a few dollars less. And you could probably sell this product for around $29.99 to $34.99. Now, keep in mind, it does come in 2 different colors. It also comes in different finishes as well. So definitely be on the lookout for other variants, because there are other variants for this product. And also, obvious, it doesn't come with an AirTag. All right, so checking out the video ad. Now, this isn't like a competitor or anything. This is just straight from TikTok Shop. This is just a TikTok Shop creator. The video is okay, but again, it's nothing crazy. It's just him showing off the wallet. But as you can see, it has a ton of engagement and a ton of people asking where to actually buy the product. Now, if you didn't know this, if you go to TikTok Shop, it's a great way for you to be able to find winners, because most of these TikTok Shop creators are only creating content on TikTok Shop. So if you can take the content from TikTok Shop and run them on Facebook ads, it's a great way for you to be able to find an untapped audience. Now, I did go ahead and find a competitor just so I could show you guys one. Now, this company's called Patamount. I believe that's how you say it. They're selling the product for $39.95. It comes in a few different colors. There's a saddle brown, there's like a golden brown, gray, blue, and a carbon fiber as well. Now, if you just scroll through their site, you'll see, never lose your wallet. You're able to use this with Find My iPhone. They talk about the premium leather, et cetera, et cetera. It looks like they also have other AirTag products on their site as well. Now, personally, if I was selling this product right now, I would offer this keychain with this product as a free gift, or I would just offer it as a bundle and maybe just increase the price a little bit. I don't know. I would just have to see my margins, but definitely I would include something like this with the product to be able to boost that perceived value. And then it looks like they ended it with some reviews. Now, overall, this is a pretty solid product page, but an even better product that you could potentially test. All right, so for the fourth product on today's list, I actually wanted to keep it kind of fun. Well, I say fun, but this product is still doing over 6 figures. This competitor I'm actually going to show you for this product is doing over $110,000 a month, I believe, okay? So this right here is just a toy gun. It's literally a play on the same kind of like water gun Glock. It's the same kind of crap. Once you guys see the video ads, you'll know what I'm talking about. But you're gonna get this product for fairly inexpensive, $7.29. You can easily sell this for $29.99. And there's a bunch of other variations, so you can do a ton of different cool offers with this type of product. It comes in 3 different colors. It comes in purple, blue, and it also comes in pink as well. So here's their actual TikTok. It's called Pocket Shot. Now, it looks like they're in a different country because all of the videos are in Spanish, but you'll still be able to get the point. So as you can see, their 3 pinned videos all have over 2 million views. And if you just scroll through, I mean, look how much views these products are getting, okay? It's actually insane. So I'll just play one here so you can go ahead and check it out. They're actually pretty cool how they do it. So again, okay, this is a different variation. So it looks like there's a red version as well. But it's just a toy gun. That's literally all it is. But the way that they're making these videos are making them go viral. This one 2 days ago, 900,000 views. And as you can see, it's the exact same thing, but in the Glock version. If we go up to the next video, this video has 1.6 million views in 2 days. So back to back, they had million view videos. On top of that, this one's got 300K. I mean, they are just crushing it. All right, so if you check out their site, they're actually offering 2 different versions of this product. So I'm just gonna click on this one here. You should be able to get a gist of what this actually looks like on a site. Again, it's in a different language. I tried to do the currency conversion, but they don't offer United States, which is weird, okay? But again, pretty self-explanatory, definitely worth a test, but I would sell this product on TikTok just because this is more of an impulse purchase. Now for the 5th product, I actually saved the best for last because this product is doing over $200,000 per month. And this is a product that always comes around during this time of year because it's getting colder. So this product is are leggings, and they have thermal inside, okay, or like a wool material. So basically women can wear their leggings even during the winter, which solves a massive problem. Now you're gonna get a product for pretty inexpensive, to be honest with you, $13 per, and you can easily sell this for $29.99 or even $39.99, depending on the type of bundle that you have. And by bundle, I mean maybe you're doing a buy one, get one free offer, or you're doing something like a buy two, get one for free. Now there's different variants for this product, so make sure that you have all the variants so that way you can stand out from your competition. And there's also different sizes. So it looks like depending on what you choose, there's a thicker material, which will make it more warmer. So if we head over to their TikTok, the company's called Fleeces. And if we go over to their first pin video, which has 4 million views, it just says, how do you look so hot even when it's cold outside? So you can see the woman showing off a bunch of different outfits that she's obviously wearing during the winter that you wouldn't normally be able to wear. You wouldn't be able to wear dresses. You wouldn't be able to wear skirts. But with the fleece leggings, you'll be able to stay warm and still be able to enjoy those summer outfits. Now, their product page is actually fantastic, and they're selling just one of these for $49. And that's the power of having a brand, okay? And that's what makes the difference between, you know, a dropshipping store and an actual brand, because once you go into the branding process, you can start charging these type of prices because people are willing to pay because you're the top provider of this product. So it looks like they're just offering a buy two, get 20%, buy three, 25%, buy four, 30%. Pretty decent offer. I think that you probably can do a little bit better than that. Now, I really like how this image just flows. It's not your typical text block. It's just a huge, what looks like an image, but just going ahead explaining their product, which is really cool in my opinion. But as you can see, there are a ton of testimonials showing off the product, and that's pretty much it, okay? This is a solid product page for sure. If you don't know how to get something like this, I believe I told you guys in the previous top 5, but this is right from an app called Section Store, not sponsored by them, but you can buy these sections for like $8. So typically you would need like a developer to do something like this. But again, you can check out the app and you can get this added right to your Shopify store. All right, you guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you took some value from it. Let me know in the comment section down below what product from today's video was your favorite. And if you're somebody out there that's struggling with your dropshipping business and you want to be coached by myself and my team at Unlimited Ecom, be sure to go down to the description and fill out the application for my one-on-one mentorship. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.